Hey people, welcome to Nasike's Kitchen. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. We'll really appreciate. Remember to like, comment, share and watch my videos. And today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe on how to make homemade donuts, which are very fleshy and very fluffy. The ingredients that I'm going to use are 3 cups of multi-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, active yeast 1 teaspoon, 1 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of margarine, or you can use butter. Let's get to the next step. So first I'm going to add my dry ingredients. Then I mix nicely. Then I'll set aside. Then I'm going to add the yeast and make sure that your milk is warm. Then I'll let it rest for about 5 minutes. Then we'll get to the next step. After 5 minutes, I'm going to add 2 eggs in the mixture of the yeast and the milk. Then I'm going to mix everything together nicely. I transferred the mixture in this bowl. So after mixing everything together, I'm going to add in my other bowl containing the baking flour, or the multi-purpose flour, and then I'm going to mix everything together nicely. I'm going to transfer this mixture in my working space. Then I start kneading. And the donuts, these donuts are going to be savory in taste because I've not added anything sweet. I've not added vanilla essence, I've not added sugar. I've just used salt. So after that, I'm transferring it here in my working space. I continue kneading to the consistency that I want. And if it's too sticky, you can add some flour. To remove the stickiness. So you can see it's not too sticky. I like the consistency. Now I'm going to put it here and let it rest for about 1 hour. Then I'm going to ensure that I cover for about 1 hour. Then we'll get to the next step. So guys, 1 hour later, you can see it has increased in size. I'm going to knead it a bit. Then I'm going to add my margarine and continue kneading. So I'm going to take a dough. I cut like that. Then I'm going to roll. There's no need of using a glass. Then you look at the middle of the dough. You put a circle in the middle. Just like that. I'll show you after putting them on my tray. You just repeat the same process. So guys, you can see our doughs are here. I'm going to cover again for 30 to 45 minutes. Then we'll get to the next. 45 minutes later, my doughs are ready. My cooking oil is ready. I'm going to dip the donuts. going to let them cook until they turn brown. Don't they look amazing? Our donuts are so ready. You can see how lovely they look. I'm going to remove them and set them aside. And I'm going to repeat the same process. Guys, here are our donuts. You can see how amazing they look. They are very soft and very fleshy. You should try out this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.